Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're gonna see a comparison between bigsky and bluesky. Bigsky and bluesky, they might sound similar but they're completely different. Let's quickly compare the two. Bigsky, it's a weather forecasting service, provides hyperlocal weather updates including hourly and daily forecasts. It's perfect for anyone who wants to accurate weather info for their location. On the other hand, bluesky is a decentralized social media platform. It gives users control over their content, feed, and data. It is great for people who value privacy and customization in social media. So, bigsky is a weather app for real-time forecasts, and bluesky is a social media for a decentralized and personalized experience. So, bigsky helps with the weather, and bluesky is all about social media freedom. Which one were you thinking of? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.